FlashBot by FlashCut Robotics empowers you to quickly and accurately cut sheets, pipes, beams, and even domes. Import beams from any CAD program into the FlashCut software and assign cut paths on a fully 3D model. Once ready, the part is sent directly out to FlashBot for manufacturing. Our unique laser sensor identifies the edges of the flange to map the part to the workpiece. After this process, FlashBot is ready to start cutting. FlashBot accurately and efficiently runs through the cut program. Once the flange is processed, FlashBot is ready to work on the web. The laser sensor identifies the bounds of the web and the edge of the beam before cutting. FlashBot can handle cutting any pattern, even complex designs. Thank you for watching, and feel free to contact us to learn more about how FlashBot can streamline your productivity.